When Crystal first came to see us, at her age, to have to be dealing with a mouthful of decay, the pain, the swellings, the infections, for a young mother who has to go to work, take care of her kids, it's just not something that somebody should have to think about and deal with.
I never smiled. I never wanted to leave my house. I was working, but I always stayed to myself. Eating, I wouldn't eat at work. I'd wait till I got off work, or I'd eat in the morning.
At the time when we saw her, she was not able to have treatment right away. She came back after several months and said, I'm ready to do this.
So when I did my first consultation with them, I was super nervous to go in there because I know what my mouth would look like to me. So I only can imagine, looking at it from somebody else's point of view. But there was no judgment looks, there was no judgment remarks or anything like that from anybody there, staff or the doctors or anything. So it was welcoming, which really made me even lean more towards that being my place.
Her teeth had gotten to the point where she would have to have emergency extractions just to get out of pain. And finally we said, enough is enough. Let's just be done with this. Let's get your life back on track, get you back to your family, get you back to work. We removed everything for her in one day. We placed upper and lower implants in both jaws for her, and we gave her permanent teeth from day one.
So the first time that they handed me the mirror after I was done healing, it was like a huge weight lifted. It was, I cried because it was exciting. It was something I haven't seen since I was a teenager. And that's been some years for me. So to see that and just to think of the relief that I felt, it was amazing. I'm very thankful for all of the staff and the doctors. Without them, I definitely wouldn't have my smile that I have now. And I appreciate them being so patient with me and not trying to rush me, which was amazing.